Both of these poor boys got the hiccups. Hiccup. 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 Oh, I think we got boogies in your nose. Don't tell mama. She heard you. It's too late. There's no saving you now. Say I got the hiccups, daddy. Say I got the hiccups, daddy. Huh? You got the hiccups? What about you? You got the hiccups too? Let me hear that. Say hiccup. 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 I don't know why this is so funny to me. Alright. We'll find a way to get rid of the hiccups.